The Brother DS-640 is a compact, budget-friendly portable scanner that delivers excellent scan quality and reliable OCR, making it ideal for occasional use or on-the-go scanning. While it lacks a document feeder and duplex scanning, it's perfect for short documents and easy to store or carry. For larger jobs, a more advanced model may be better suited. Scan quality. The Brother DS-640 provides some of the best scan quality per dollar of any of the models we've tested. It often matches the quality of the expensive large office-focused models at a fraction of the price. Speed. The Brother DS-640 isn't particularly fast, but that's because it has neither duplex scanning nor a document feeder. However, it's more than serviceable for documents less than 10 pages. The Brother DS-640 took 26 seconds to scan a single color page at 600 dpi, a very high resolution. This is a respectable speed, but it's worth mentioning that half of the competing products I tested can scan a page in 20 seconds or less. Longer, duplex documents are where things get a bit slow. Since you have to manually feed each page into the scanner, scan times for longer documents add up. Additionally, this scanner can only scan one side of a sheet at a time, so double-sided pages have to be fed through twice to scan both sides, doubling the amount of time and effort you have to put in. Ease of use. The Brother weighs in at just over a pound, can be powered by a USB port, and features smooth paper feeding. It doesn't get much easier than that. The only place it gets bogged down is when scanning longer documents. Unfortunately, the lack of duplex scanning and an automatic document feeder makes scanning long documents a chore. The Brother DS-640 is, in our opinion, the perfect solution for those that need high-quality scans but who don't tend to scan super long, 10-plus page documents all that frequently. If this sounds like you, then I highly recommend making this the newest addition to your home or office workspace.